And let's get some sweet potato tops para sa ating sinigang. Talbusan natin para lumago siya ulit. So, nakatipid na ako. Kasi kung bibili ako ng kamote sa palengke, $5. Pero marami na rin. So, instead na masayang ang ating kamote, igugulay natin siya. So, that's it. So, yan ang ating kamote. Nakalbo na natin siya. Pero ano yan, lalago na naman yan. Panibagong tubo ulit. Yan. Ayan ang ating ginger. Okay. May tanim akong ginger dyan. So, let's go. Let's cook. And that's the weather for today. It's Tuesday. And medyo makulimlim. Parang nagbabadya ang ulan. So, let's go cooking. And it's past 1 na. Dito tayo ng fish. Yan ang aking fish. And hugasan ko na yan. Ito na lang. Ipapad ko dyan. And bumili ako ng luya. Pumunta pa ako ng market. Kaya so late na. Wala na kasi akong luya over there. Pero try na. So itapon na natin to. Ayan. Slightly fry ko muna pa. Both sides. So, nag-brown na siya both side. And let's put our ginger, onions. Yan. Mix. May bawang na ako dyan. Bawang. And our tomatoes. That's it. It smells delicious already. And wait, I will add my chili and add water. It's boiling a little bit more. Yeah. And let's cover. Let's add our vegetables, other vegetables. Yung talong and okra. Okay. So, pakuluin lang natin ulit. Let's cover it. It's time to add our potato. Sweet potato tops. Ayan. And cover for a while. And let's add our sinigang mix. Yung pampasim natin. Kalahati lang yan. So, lagay na natin lahat. Para masaya ang life. May asim-asim. Diba? See? Biruin mo yan. For just, magkano ba yun? $16 at ang bili ko. Ito yung isa. Tapos bukas, yung paksiw. And let's try the taste. Kung may asin na siya. Pero may asin na yan kasi minarinate ko sa salt and pepper yung fish bago ko prinito. So let's try. Yummy! Ako lang naman nakakain yan. Okay lang yan. Sarap! And ito na yung paksiw. Wait. Paano ko ba yung marurotate to? Ayan. Today is Thursday. Hindi ko rin siya na luto kahapon kasi nagluto ko ng bilo-bilo. Yan na lang. Niluto ko ng lunch. And for my dinner, di ba? With eggplant. Masarap siya, malaman yung head ng and preparing for cooking for dinner. This one and vegetables, tomatoes with fish, their favorite. And what else? Yun, yung bilo-bilo ko pala. And this is my bilo-bilo. Let's separate over there. And here. And hindi ko nang iluto itong malunggay ko. I still have banana. Malunggay leaves. Kailangan ko na rin iluto kasi ilang, nung May pa yan. So, that's it. Wow, very good. Ang very good naman ang bebe namin na yan. Ang very good naman. That's his dinner for tonight. Oh, wait. Yum, yum? Yum, 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 yum? Lekker. Bye. Say bye. Bye. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. Take care. Mama.